List Daily presents 5 most dangerous dog breeds in the world. Number 5. Siberian Husky. Siberian Huskies certainly look cute and fluffy, but they can be one of the most dangerous breeds of dogs. While they're usually very good around children and very loyal, they have high energy levels that need constant exercise. After all, they were bred to be work dogs and they weren't bred to be pets, so when people don't properly take care of them, or even worse, if the animals are mistreated, they can be very dangerous. In the past 20 years, they have mauled 15 people to death. This includes one infant that was killed by a trained husky in 2012 in Alberta, Canada. Number 4. Doberman Pinscher. Doberman Pinschers are very large and loyal dogs that have a tendency to be aggressive towards strangers. Due to their size, with males weighing up to 100 pounds, they were once commonly used as police dogs, so they can be rather intense. The last known recorded death caused by a Doberman was a 70-year-old woman in Valley View, Texas in 2012. The woman had the Doberman as a guard dog and it attacked her while she was watering her lawn. The woman died from bites to the head and neck, with the investigating officer calling it a brutal attack. Number 3. German Shepherd. German Shepherds are known for being immensely loyal once they're trained, but they're also known for having their aggressive streak. This is why the breed is a favorite amongst law enforcement agencies, armed forces, and security specialists all over the world. However, like every other dog on this list, if they're mistreated, they can be incredibly dangerous. And let's just say you don't want to mess with a mistreated German Shepherd. Their bite strength is 238 pounds, which is powerful enough to break bones. In 2012, German Shepherds killed 2 people. A 6-year-old boy and a 55-year-old man was mauled by a loose German Shepherd as he was collecting his mail. Number 2. Rottweiler. Like all the dogs on this list, Rottweilers have incredible bite strength, reaching over 300 pounds per force. They are also fairly deadly. In 2012, they killed 8 people, and in 2015, they were responsible for 3 deaths. All of them were people over the age of 55. One man in Tennessee was killed just hours after he adopted the Rottweiler from a shelter. Due to their loyalty and furiosity, Rottweilers are often used for security, so if you plan on breaking into a junkyard but they have a Rottweiler as a guard dog, you might want to think twice about it. Number 1. Pit Bull. Far and away, the most dangerous breed of dog is the Pit Bull. If you take the latest stats about the dog bites, which is from 2015, pit bulls were responsible for 20 of the 28 deaths caused by dogs. While the bite force of the breed is highly disputed, what is known about the dogs is that they were bred to bite and not let go. Often this is described in the media as lockjaw, but there's no mechanism in the jaw that actually makes it lock. They're just really strong and won't let go. Besides their bite, a few studies have also found that pit bulls cannot be predicted. For example, a study from 1991 found that in reported pit bull attacks on children, 94% of them were unprovoked, whereas the average among other breeds was 43%. A second study comes from the Children's Hospital of Philadelphia, and they found that between 2001 and 2005, pit bulls were implicated in more than half of the dog bites that required medical attention. However, pro-pit bull groups believe that studies are misleading, and the notion that pit bulls are unpredictable is a misconception. Subscribe for more.